What's the meaning of community? Community. Community.
Community. Community. Community refers to a group of individuals who share common interests, characteristics, or values and live or interact in a particular geographical area or virtual space. Members of a community often support each other, collaborate on projects, and share resources and information. Communities can be defined by factors such as ethnicity, culture, religion, occupation, or hobby. They can also be formed for specific purposes such as advocacy, education, or socializing. A strong sense of community can foster a sense of belonging and promote social cohesion while providing opportunities for personal growth and development.